the world has to come together and say, where are we going from now on? Because the changes are extremely dramatic. And those are being felt even in a small country like Switzerland. We see that our summers are extremely hot and extremely dry. It's also experienced droughts. So we're experiencing droughts here in the middle of the Alps.
I'm Sabine Reinecke. I'm the policy analyst at FIBL Switzerland. And today I'm here at Lake Geneva in Gland. Gland is the home of the Ramsar Convention on Wetlands. And I'm very pleased and honored that today I can speak to Musonda Mumba of the convention.
Wetlands, though seemingly simple, are very complex ecosystems, and the very livelihoods of many communities in the world are dependent on wetland ecosystems for their agriculture, for their food systems, for the regulation of their climate. And then really speaking about food, all of our agriculture is dependent on water from wetlands. One of the things that is very key and particularly important for us, especially from the convention, is the importance of science. Why does science matter? Because science, when we look at both knowledge systems, traditional knowledge systems, and the usual scientific studies, they're extremely critical in the conversations around climate. Because we cannot talk about organic farming in isolation of a farmer alone. This is where the researchers have to come in and say, this is what would work in a warmer world. What is the shift in policy at the national level so that it takes into account not only the growing of food, but also the efficient use of water, and which is where wetlands also come in. And so it's important that, researchers take into account the whole of society, the whole of government approach to be able to actually make relevant research outcomes that are so important and useful for our society and in a world that is changing so dramatically. And for me, organic farming really is truly the way to go.